provide better quality of reliable power to the consumer, and you provide efficient technologies. And the roadmap has told us that there are 5 things that we need to do apart from business analytics. We definitely have to do field force automation, we need to do AMI, and we need to do the capacity building. So over a period of time, we would be implementing each one of them, and the benefit of that which will come will be for the consumers to see better quality service and low cost power. Next slide. This is what is the already doing ESCO projects, both for residential, industrial and commercial consumers, whereby we will help them and assist them in also financing, that how they can reduce their cost of energy of peak demand. And I hope the demand response today that we are doing without any financial incentive will be in future with some financial incentive will go a long way reducing the peak demand of power for us in Delhi. Next slide. These are some of the projects which are in pipeline, and as a part of our next 10 years roadmap, all these projects will be implemented. We've already gone ahead for financing of it under the IPDS program of Government of India, and hopefully in the next couple of months we'll start the implementation process. Next slide. Again, I mentioned to you about the grid-connected solar rooftop. This is something which hopefully in the next 3 months we'll start implementing. We are looking for options for large utility level grid storage. That's a question mark. If someone can come with a cost which is 10x lower than what is the present storage cost, that's a solution that we are looking at. And all the other areas, ESCO, e-vehicles, are things which we would be implementing, and hopefully next year round when we discuss, we can demonstrate some of the projects that we have done. This is the technology roadmap that we have. I'm not very sure that we will be able to reach the SAIFI figures of some of the developed countries, or some of the neighboring countries, some of the Southeast Asian countries of few minutes, but we'll definitely give them a run for the quality of service that we provide. So thank you very much.
Thanks, Sri. Sorry for cutting short your presentation, but even that took 7 minutes.